National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Okaloosa County in northwestern Florida, southeastern Santa Rosa County in northwestern Florida, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southwest of Baker to 5 miles northwest of Mary Esser and are moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milton, Baghdad, Navarre, Point Baker, Navarre Beach, and Rowville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida.